What if I told you that being healthy is not just about exercise, and being successful is not just about getting high grades? What if living well also means having strong relationships and making responsible choices, and knowing how to deal with stress? What does it mean to live well in a complex world? Welcome to Unit 1, Living Well in a Complex World. The central concept of this unit is well-being. Throughout this unit, we'll explore factors. Throughout this unit, we'll explore how our personal choices, social influences, and cultural context affect the way we live. We'll also look at modern challenges such as lifestyle habits, social media, and mental health. But this unit is not simply about learning information. It is about learning how to question ideas, examine evidence, consider different perspectives, and build strong arguments. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain what well-being means. You will identify some important elements of living well. You will also learn how to discuss the idea of balance and express your opinion. And you will learn how to support your opinion with reasons. And you'll begin using an important thinking strategy. JRE, justify, reason, evidence. Let's start with the most important question. What does it mean to live well in a complex world? Notice something important. This question does not have one simple answer. For one person, physical health may be the most important factor. For another, strong relationships may matter more. Someone else may focus on mental health. Someone else may focus on responsible habits or managing stress carefully. So, instead of looking for one perfect answer, we're going to learn how to think carefully. Let's focus on the key term, well-being. Well-being is a broad idea. In this unit, we will consider different factors, including physical well-being and social connection, developing responsible habits, and coping positively with stress in our daily lives. Well-being is bigger than simply not being sick. It involves how aspects of life work together. Repeat after me. Well-being. Regular exercise can improve your overall well-being. Say it with me. Balance. Students need a balance between study, rest, and social life. Responsible. Making responsible choices can improve your well-being. Stress. Students may experience stress before important exams. Now think about balance. Imagine that your well-being is like a wheel. Can it work perfectly if one part is ignored? For example, you may exercise every day, but if you constantly feel stressed, are you balanced? Or if you get excellent grades but have no time for friends or sleep, is that healthy? These are not questions with automatic answers. They require us to think and justify our ideas. Here's an important difference. A weak answer gives an opinion and stops. A stronger answer gives a reason. Instead of just, exercise is important, say, I believe it's important because it supports physical and mental health. J stands for justify. What is your position? R stands for reason. Why do you think so? And E stands for evidence. What information or example supports your idea? This is stronger academic thinking. Your turn. Which is more important, physical health or social connection? Think about your position and reason. Now think of an example to support your idea. Take a few seconds to organize your thoughts. Use this structure. I believe that blank is more important because blank. For example, blank. Support your ideas clearly. Quick quiz. Question 1. What does well-being refer to? A. Fitness. B. Success. C. Broader state of living well. D. No responsibilities. The answer is C. A broader state involving different aspects of living well. Well-being is holistic. Question 2. Which is not one of our 4 elements? A. Social connection. B. Responsible habits. C. Coping with stress. D. Financial wealth. The answer is D. Financial wealth was not in our opening diagram. Social connection and habits are key. Question 3. In JRE, what does R stand for? A. Result. B. Reason. C. Reading. D. Reflection. Answer now. The answer is B. Reason. Why you think what you think. It's the core of your justification. When justifying an opinion, don't stop after saying I think. Add the word because. Then explain your reason. When you need stronger evidence, add an example to support your argument. This helps in your baccalaureate exams. Now I want you to speak. Use this structure. For me, living well means, I believe this because. One example is, are you ready? Your 30-second response time starts right now. Please begin. Please share your thoughts on living well in a complex world. Keep going. You're doing great. Speak naturally. Excellent. The goal isn't perfect English. The goal is to communicate a clear idea and support it with a reason. Today, we introduced well-being, involving physical health, social connection, responsible habits, and coping with stress. We also introduced JRE, justify, reason, and evidence. From now on, think about it, explain it, and support it. For homework, write between 80 and 100 words answering, what does it mean to live well in a complex world? Include one example and use 3 vocabulary words from today. Make it clear, logical, and well supported. Next lesson, we're going to explore a major challenge, social media and self-image. We'll learn how it influences self-perception. We'll also learn how to recognize bias in media. I'll see you in lesson 2 for more exploration. Goodbye.